I'm Casper.
I'm CC.
We love to explore and see new places.
Come along with us on an adventure as we talk about places we have been to.
We will review places when we visit.
So join us on today's adventure.
Please like and subscribe to be notified on our next video.
Back in 2016, the Yarloop railway workshops were destroyed by fire. And here we are in 2023. And we can notice that they're rebuilding an interrupted centre to signify what there was and what there is now, telling the story of what they were. As we walk down around this area where they're doing the construction, we can see another building towards the back here. And as we noticed on that sign that I took a photo of, they are also planning on building a men's shed as well, and plans for miniature railway. And just over here we have the War Memorial. In the town area we have the Yarloop post office, and just over here we have the new post office, which also includes a general store. And as we walk around here, there's various statues and that as well that signify the history of the Yarloop town site. There's various plaques, and as well you can do a walk around and learn about the town. As we can walk closer, we'll see what one of them actually says. This particular one is talking about the railway reserve. That the figures around the town represent some of the townsfolk that you'd have met in the early years. Here we are standing on the site of the old Yarloop station. The original station is pictured here on this plaque for the walk trail. The new railway station for Yarloop is just over here to the left. We have the original Yarloop Hall, which stood still standing after the bushfires. And just adjacent to that, we have the new community hall section, which was added to it. And as we walk over, we have another plaque on the Heritage Trail. What does this one say, you may ask? Well, this one is talking about the Yarloop Town Hall.